Mr. Speaker, I rise today to speak out against this unnecessary Republican-led government shutdown. Republicans should work with Democrats to keep our government open. Republicans have cut off basic government services relied upon by millions of Americans, including millions of Americans who call themselves Republicans. This effort to shut down our government is costing hard-working taxpayers millions of dollars. 800,000 federal employees around the country didn't go to work this week and will not return to work until Republicans end this senseless shutdown. Instead of working across the aisle, Republicans would rather score political points with the Tea Party. They would rather take our government hostage over an issue that has been voted on in March of 2010 and upheld by the Supreme Court in June of 2012 and held to a public referendum by the re-election of President Obama in November of 2012. The Affordable Health Care Act is law. It has gone through checks and balances of our government and should not be an issue when it comes to funding our government. I ask my Republican colleagues to let us return to reason. Let's keep our government running. Let's do the right thing. Stop these games, stop the obstruction, and let's get back to work on real issues. I yield back my time.
For what purpose is the gentleman from Florida?